How to set double press side button to open flashlight on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on side button. So after click on side button, you will select double press and long press. So I will select double press. So after select double press, so if you want to set double press the side button to open flashlight, so click on flashlight. So after click on flashlight, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So if you want to set and open, so hold phone and just click 2 times and you will see flashlight is turned on. So if you want to turn off, so double click and you will see flashlight is turned off. So after the process, enter phone key, refresh phone. So that's how you can set double press side button to open flashlight on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.